Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. This is not a Naked Sunday, I'm sorry, this is an unboxing. Let's start over. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be unboxing a Telfar bag.
Telfar, say hello to the telly, bitch jelly.
This is my first Telfar purchase. This was my, I think, second time attempting to purchase one of these bags. The first one I tried to get was the ox blood red, which I'm actually kind of happy I didn't get that one, because this one, honey, yes. So I feel like after this one here, now that I have it, the next color that I want is the pink, the hot pink. Yes, I want that one, like Barbie dreams. But and then I think I'm done. I wanted a black, but I think, I don't know. We'll see what happens, how I go along with this. I have a dark one, get a bright one. I think that's it. If you don't know, Telfar is a black-owned company. It was created in 2005, right? 2005? Yes. It was established in 2005. Just like Brandon Blackwood, they are based in New York. And Brandon Blackwood is another black-owned brand, which I did do a video on their ESR totes. If you want to see that, I'll link it somewhere at the top for you to see. All right, enough of that. Now, this bag dropped on September 10th. And I received it on September 18th. So shipping and all that good stuff was pretty quick, was a decent amount of processing time, shipping time, all that good stuff. It came with this little box here via FedEx, and it's really tiny. I did get the smaller size. Let me put it on this side. There we go. So it, Lori, get your life together. So it comes in this box. It comes in a Ziploc bag and a drawstring bag. It also comes with a return label. Now, the small one is super, super small. If you're not into small bags, go ahead with the medium. I feel like, and somebody else mentioned this in their other video. Am I centered? I hope so. Anyways, somebody else mentioned this in their other video, that they should have a size in between the small and the medium. Probably call this one the mini. Have a small, medium, and the jumbo shopping bag. You take it out of the Ziploc. It's in a drawstring bag. Again, this is the olive green. I don't know if I mentioned that. You open her up. I actually already have a video of me unwrapping everything, but so don't mind that. It came with a piece of paper around here to keep the back part up like that. And then this is like a little Velcro type thingy to hold the straps together. The strap is a very, very long, so you could do like over the shoulder. Could you do a crossbody? Yep, you could do a crossbody. I hope I'm not like not being seen. Let me step back a little. Step back a little. All right, so that's it, cross-bodied. Super, super cute. All right, I'm not much of a crossbody girl. I like to hold my purses like this because I'm a lady. It comes with the tag that says Telfar, established 2005. There it's gonna focus. There we go. Telfar, established 2005, NYC. My hands look kind of ashy, but we're gonna ignore that. On the inside, it does have a magnetic clasp. There. Close it. It does have the Telfar logo on the inside there. Yeah, this is one of the hardest bags to get. This brand in general, just like the ESR tote from Brandon Blackwood. How I was able to get mine, because when I tried to get the ox blood red again, I logged on way too late. I think I logged on at like 9:15 and it launches at like 9. So one of my Instagram friends, I forget her name. I'm so sorry, babes, I forgot your name. But what she said was to make sure that you have an account with them, which is what I did, so that the checkout process will be faster, right? So I did that. I got to the capture page. I selected all the images that looked like a taxi, and then it said, all right, you're in line, and I had to wait like a good 2 minutes or so. The thing is, I set my alarm for 8:45, woke up, jumped up, turned the computer on, make sure everything was ready. 9 a.m. I'm on the website, click in, refresh. The website did not put everything up until maybe 9:03. That's when I clicked on the bag that I actually think I have a video of that. I clicked on the bag that I wanted. I knew initially that this is the size I wanted. I didn't want to go any bigger than this because the other ones looked too big, and I want to carry this like if I'm going out to dinner, you know, night on the town. I don't want anything too big. And again, if I carry this and if let's say I get drunk or whatever, I could just simply throw it over my shoulder, as much as I don't like a crossbody, throw it over my chest like this, and I'm good to go. This one was $150. The others I can't remember the prices, but this one was $150. Shipping was free. Yeah, by I want to say 9:10 I was done checking out. But literally, when they say everything sells out in minutes, it literally sells out in minutes. They launched the blue one, I want to say yesterday, day before yesterday, which if you're watching this now means the Thursday or the Friday, because today is Saturday. And my best friend tried to get one and she couldn't. I told her to make sure she had an account. She did. When she went to the checkout page, the site crashed. Like, she could not check out at all. All right. Yeah, so if you're lucky enough to get one, kudos to you. All right. But I do love her vegan bag. Somebody made a joke that said vegan bags are just pleather, who made pleather popular now. But I love it. I'm happy that it's a black owned brand. Beyonce also has one. I think she has the black one, or is it the pink one? I don't know, one of them. But I definitely want the hot pink. I don't think I'm gonna get the black. I love this color. I love the green. I feel like with any outfit that I wear, if I'm wearing all black or white, if I'm wearing pink, purple, red, whatever, this would go with it. You feel me? I feel like this bag could go with literally everything. And I just want the hot pink because it's so freaking cute. Girl. Anyways, if you have any questions for me about the bag, leave it in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.